Acquire grammar. In this lesson, we are going to have a look at the present perfect continuous. For the present perfect continuous, we use has or have plus been plus a verb with ing. For example, she has been playing tennis. They have been fishing. The present perfect continuous can be used for an action which can be either finished or unfinished. The present perfect continuous is usually used for an unfinished action. The action started in the past and has continued to the present. We often use for and since to say how long something has been happening for an unfinished action. For is used with a period of time, like an hour, 3 days, or 5 years. Since is used for the start of the period, and we use a point of time like 1 o'clock, May, or 2020. For example, she has been driving for an hour. He has been working since 9 o'clock. The present perfect continuous can also be used for temporary habits and situations which are unfinished. We use recently or lately. We don't say how long the action has been happening. For example, Russell has been eating too much junk food lately. Recently, I have been watching a great TV show about spies. When we use the present perfect continuous for a finished action, the focus is on the result now. For example, the student doesn't understand because he has not been listening. Liam has been working out. He has lost a lot of weight. It has been raining, so the ground is wet. Now you try. Which one is the correct sentence? A. He has been playing soccer for 2018. B. He has been playing soccer since 2018. C. He has playing soccer since 2018. And the answer is B. He has been playing soccer since 2018. Which one is the correct sentence? A. Recently, he has been cycling to work. B. Recently, he has been cycling to work since July. C. Recently, he has been cycling to work for a month. And the answer is A. Recently, he has been cycling to work. Give it a go. Try making a sentence with the present perfect continuous and leave it in the comments below. If you like our videos, please share them with a friend. We'd really appreciate it. For more videos, please check out our Facebook page. And don't forget to like and follow it. Thank you.